All right, guys, so we have the Anker 20,000 milliamp power bank. This thing is one thing that I've been wanting for a long time. This thing literally charges, has a screen that connects, and with us, we already have the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, along with all the iPhones and everything that we've been using. So we always need juice everywhere we go. Unboxing this thing, it's so simple. It's literally this, their microfiber little blanket slash case. And opening it up is their powerful charger. So this thing has the capacity to charge at 140 watts max. But you do need, one thing you do need to know,
This is important.
is you do need that plug in order to make that happen. So unless you have the plug that connects onto this piece to get this thing charged at that 100% speed, you will not be able to charge it super fast as advertised. So look up that Anker plug, which I'll also put a link down below, so you will be able to charge this thing fast and efficiently. It starts up so nice, gives you your battery percentage, has two plugins, in and out. So this first one and the second one being USB-C, and this one being USB. And it also has the super fast charger port under there that you can also buy by Anker, which I'll go ahead and put a link down below. You just leave it pretty much right on that charging base, and it goes ahead and charges it at that 100-watt speed. Other than that, very simple design. Three things that it comes with, and that's all you need just to keep your power up and running.